Hello everyone. Welcome back to MADRAS VL Vimala channel. I am Lieutenant VL Vimala. This channel is all about listening and learning the language and getting motivated. I hope you have watched all the 4 lesson videos on present tenses, 4 follow-up short story videos and stative verb lesson video, and practiced all the sentences given in these videos in your real life. As you all have learned and practiced 4 present tenses, you may start re-narrating the learned short stories to your friends and family members in English. I am guiding and teaching you the best powerful and successful techniques in learning the language based on my research and successful experiments. So, please do not miss to follow any of the steps that I am asking you to do. Hereafter, we will also be enriching our language with idioms, phrasal verbs and everyday uses. So, in this video, let's start with the idioms. What is idiom? An idiom is a group of words or a phrase which has a fixed, well-established and known meaning and never gives literal meaning. For an example, he kicked the bucket. It does not mean that he is kicking the bucket or hitting the bucket in literal sense. It means he died. So you have to know the fixed meaning of an idiom before we could start using them. Where to use it? It can be used in a casual conversation. It helps presenting the complicated ideas in a simplified way. At the same time, it is important to remember that the usage of idioms has to be avoided in the official communication. Having learned what is an idiom and where to use it, let's see 10 color-based idioms to remember them very well and use them well in the practical life. Let's start with a well-known popular expression, black sheep, which means someone with untrustworthy and unacceptable behavior within a group or a family. Example, she is a black sheep who shares the discussed matter of our group to the outsiders. Next expression, see red, which means angry. An example, corruption in the medical service makes people see red. And the third expression is once in a blue moon, which means rare happening. An example, Ratish visits library only once in a blue moon. And the fourth expression is a white lie, which means a lie with a good intention. It is a lie, but it is said with a good intention. An example is, Mary tells a white lie that she is unemployed to get financial assistance for her children's education. And the fifth expression is green with envy, which means to be very unhappy or jealous because someone has something that you want. Sometimes it happens, we want something, but instead of we getting it, someone would have had it. That would make us a little jealous. So to express that, we can use this expression, green with envy. An example is, your friends will be green with envy when they see your new look. And next expression is in the pink, which means healthy and happy. An example is, during the college years, everyone feels in the pink. Generally, when we are young, we feel really happy and healthy. We don't feel anywhere sick or little sad or something. So that kind of a feel of being healthy and happy can be expressed with this expression of in the pink. And the next expression is golden opportunity, which means best and perfect choice. This must be known to everyone. This is not a new expression anyways. Let's see the example. Nobody likes missing the golden opportunity. And the next expression is born to the purple, which means born into a wealthy and privileged or royal family. An example is, I wish I had been born to the purple. Generally, we feel we could have born in a better rich family so that we can feel the royal benefits of it. So the same meaning is given in this expression. I wish I had been born to the purple. And the ninth expression is tickled pink, which means to be delighted and very pleased. Let's see the example. We are tickled pink to have you visit us. The last expression, have the blues, which means sad or depressed. An example is, many of them have the blues in the Monday morning. Generally, after the weekend enjoyment, it is always a little hard, creates a depressed feel to go to the office in the Monday morning. So that is generally expressed as a Monday morning sickness or have the blues in the Monday morning. I hope you all have understood all the 10 expressions. I hope you will start using them in your real life. And following this, there will be a sample conversation video where all these 10 expressions will be at use, and that will help you to understand how a conversation can be built casually using these expressions, so that you also can use them in the real life too. So please do watch that video as well and make use of that video's benefits. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Until we meet in the next video, take care.